Hi everyone. I want to take this time to appreciate all my subscribers. I've been getting some new subscribers. Welcome to the family, and also don't forget to share the video. Let's help me to grow this platform, and I'll keep making some great recipes. For today, I want to show you how I prepare some homemade pasta. Using 1 cup of flour, I'm going to pour it on my table, make a small hole right at the center, sprinkle some salt on this flour. I'm going to break 4 pieces of egg, after which I'm going to beat my eggs while incorporating it with the flour. And after that, I'm going to start kneading using my hands. And while I'm kneading, you'll notice that the mixture is really sticky on my hands, but at the same time I'll not be tempted to introduce any water or flour into the mixture. I'm just going to continue kneading, after which, once the dough is folding and coming to shape, I'm going to apply some little oil on my hands, which is going to help me in smoothing out the flour at the dough. And after that, I'm going to fold it in, cover it with a cling film, and put it in the fridge for about 15 to 30 minutes. During that time, I'm going to assemble my pasta roller machine, which I'm going to set up on my bench. And after that, I'm going to take out my dough, sprinkle some flour on the table, and spread out the dough using a rolling pin. And as I do this, you're going to notice that I'm going to roll it out in a long stretchy form, because I want it to fit on the roller. And after that, I'm going to place it on my rolling machine, and using the gauge knob, which is on the left of your screens, you're going to realize it's labeled from 1 to 9. This is the level of thickness on your dough. So as you start off from 1, which is the broadest, you're going to run the dough through the roller, and after which, once it comes off on the bottom side, I'm going to spread it out on the table again, dust it with flour, roll it one more time, and then run it through the machine once again. And I'm going to repeat this process from 1 up to number 8 or 9, depending on how much thickness I need for myself. You can do it depending on which thickness you need for your pasta. And as I continue, you're going to see how thin my dough continues to be. And also, I'm going to be cutting off some small edges where I feel like it's uneven using my knife. And I'm also going to choose to use the tagliatelle shape kind of pasta. And there are various types. You can also use a thinner sized pasta section, so that it produces much thinner pasta as you prefer. But in this case, I'm making tagliatelle shaped pasta, and as you can see, the final result will look like this, like the dough that you're seeing, the pasta you're seeing on my plate, which I already had some hot water running for it. And this hot water, I'm going to sprinkle some salt on it, and I'm going to add in my pasta, and I'm going to also sprinkle some black pepper and cover it for a couple of minutes, about 4 minutes or 5, which the pasta will be already boiled to an extent where that I can take it off, drain it off. Once you drain off the pasta, you're going to start off cooking process in a different sauce pot, adding your cooking oil, after some finely chopped garlic, followed up by white onions, and don't forget to mix that in as well. After follow that up by adding some mushrooms, and we're going to also follow up with some ingredients like spices, including thyme and basil. And after also adding a chicken stock cube and some tomato paste. After mixing, add in your black pepper and sprinkle some salt onto that. After also give that a good mix, and then add in your pasta, and don't forget to lower the heat. And using a tongue, you're going to incorporate and mix in all these ingredients. Taste it, make sure it's the taste is balanced and okay, and serve the food. And for those who have followed this platform, kindly do forget to share the video, and thank you, and see you next time.